This J&J Films production is brought to you by Tasty Juice. Drink it, then convert it to pee. That's what you get for stealing my intro. Let's go see what Jake's doing. Hey, dude. What you doing? Playing Pokemon White on the 3DS. Cool. This is a stupid question, but you know the Reacon's better than the Longstrike, right? Say what now? This is a stupid question, but you know the Reacon's better than the Longstrike, right? No, it is not. It is. No, this means right. Yep. Nerf war. He's gonna get what's coming to him. Better eat your words. I think I saw him go this way. Get up there. Nothing there. Nope. Nothing. Nada. Okay. Upstairs. Here we go. Alright, Jakey, let's go. The Reacon's gonna give you breakfast. Looks like he went in there. Nope. There's no one there. No. Maybe in here. Okay. Let's see. No. Let's see. Not under there. I heard footsteps. He's upstairs. Stop. Ow. Oh God. Oh my God. I told you the Longstrike was better than the Reacon. All this killing is making me tired. I'm gonna go take a nap. I got one more dart. Better make this count. This is our nap.